You are planning a backyard party for your friends. You are going to make kebabs, and you want to make sure that no one is going to be like, ooh, that kebab looks better than that kebab because it has more shrimp. And you don't want to fight, especially with kebabs, because they got those sharp, pointy sticks. And you're hosting this party in your backyard, and the last thing you want is a bunch of kebab deaths because you put more of one type of thing than another one. But at the same time, you want each of your guests to feel special. So you want them to get a different kebab than everybody else. But each kebab has to have the same things. It has to have 2 mushrooms, 2 shrimp, 2 cherry tomatoes, and 2 zucchini slices. How many ways can you arrange this on a skewer so you can figure out how many friends you can safely invite to your backyard party without causing any deaths due to skewer fights, but everybody feels special? Can you see that there's identical objects in this question? Because we have 2 cherry tomatoes, 2 shrimp, and so this is like a Mississippi question. How can we represent it? Well, mushrooms we could do with M's, shrimps with S's, cherry tomatoes, decision to make. Do you want to go with C or T? T? Probably a good choice. Because it probably would not taste good if you got confused and actually put cherries on your skewers. And then 2 zucchini slices. Misters. And so we have 8 letters. Should be 8 factorial. But we have 2 M's, 2 S's, 2 T's, 2 Z's. And sometimes on your exam you're going to just do a little explanation of what these things are. I don't know. Does that make sense? M's, S's, T's, and Z's. And so we figure this out. Quick mental math. I think it's 2,520. Someone check that? So she can safely invite 2,520 people to her backyard party, and everybody's going to get the same skewer, but everybody's going to feel special because it's going to be in a different order. Ooh, there's new types of problems that could be with this skewer one. We don't go into these complicated 3D dimension problems, but we're going to assume that the skewers that she has are these ones. Have you seen these ones before? Have like a handle thing, okay? They're made out of metal, and then you put them on. Because if she just had the wooden skewers, that's probably what you're more familiar with. The wooden skewers add another dimension to this problem, literally, because it becomes 3-dimensional. Because if you take a skewer that's a wooden one, and you flip it around, it's going to have a different arrangement, but it's still the same skewer, right? And if she doesn't take that into consideration, someone's going to flip theirs around and say that you've got the same as mine, and then it's... Backyard parties can be very dangerous. I shouldn't have drawn that one. That one brings back bad memories of having one of those metal ones. Do you know what happens when you put one of those metal ones on a barbecue for a long time? Take it off and then decide that looks delicious and grab it? Yeah, you get a blister in that round shape on your hand. Lasts for about 2 months. Personal experience. Yeah, bad memory. Okay. 7 and 9.